Replace SmartTag 2 battery. Mock screens only. Open SmartThings. Select the SmartTag 2 and confirm the low battery row before opening the tracker. Hold the SmartTag 2 flat and find the tiny tray hole on the edge. Insert the ejection pin straight in. Once the tray pops loose, pull it out sideways by hand. Move slowly so the tray lip does not catch or bend. Tip out the old CR2032, then tape over the terminals before disposal. Keep all coin cells away from children and pets. Place the fresh CR2032 into the tray with the plus side facing up, matching the plus mark before closing. Slide the tray back the same way it came out. It should sit flush. If it resists, remove it and reseat the cell. After the startup chime, reopen SmartThings and refresh the tag card. If the warning stays, reseat the tray once. Scan the QR for the full HotAirTag guide.